Can you believe we're still doing these? Oh my god, I'm so tired. Welcome back to yet another installment of Fake Trick News, your only source, the only important source, the only relevant source, one of a couple sources of all things freestyle skateboarding, and the only thing that I have cared this much about in a couple of days. I have a notepad in my phone that is full of just one word descriptions, everything I need to talk about, and at this point I don't know what half of it is because most of those notes I made a week ago. But that speaks more to my professionalism or my lack thereof and less to what is going on in the freestyle community. Romania! It just sounds cool. Romania's been blowing up over the last like 3 years when it comes to freestyle content. You've got this weird micro community of freestylers which is basically running the game out there. And one person we should really talk about from Romania is Marius Constantine, who this series is actually inspired by. Now Marius has this nose tail skate shop of his where he has basically planted the seed of freestyle in Romania. One of those seeds who's now a micro freestyler is this kid Popescu Daniel. I really hope I'm pronouncing your name right. I am horrible at names on here, but Pop kills it. He's like gotta be 10. He's doing rail whips, he's walking across the board, and he looks like the board's twice his size. I'm stoked to see new people getting on it and getting active online. Keep making stuff, please. Not to be outdone, we have Alexandru Lilie, who can do carousels and all kinds of footworky stuff. Ooh, carousel. That looks like marble. I wouldn't wanna, no. And then I've been hearing a lot about this kid, especially from Marius, Sturbu Alexandru. If I'm pronouncing your name wrong, I'm so sorry. I'm trying so hard. Look at that. Fan flip, straight to carousel, four-handed. Four-handed carousels suck. I don't know why anyone does them that way. I'm stoked for you though. Like, I can't, dude. That's so much shoulder and upper body stuff going on there. Nah, that ain't me. We just have a lot of really great new stuff coming out of Romania, and it's nice to see something coming out of freestyle and being sort of seeded that isn't just the Japanese scene or the German scene. I'm stoked on all of y'all, but I want to see more from people like the Brazilians. I want to see more from the US freestylers. We need more. I can't keep making videos about Romania and Japan, dude. Seriously. Actually, wait, no, you all did send me stuff. I suppose this segment of the show is now called submissions. No, that's not quite right. Ugh. It's a little too aggressive. Right off the bat, we want to talk about Lazy Susan. I think that's how I say your name. You sent me a video from our buddy Denim Hill. Fuck yeah. Denim, or Den Weasel. He was slept on for a really long time. Denim is a really important freestyler. Aggro style that no one else has, and he's pushing like really tech skating. We don't see that. And this is important because note, we've been basically Rodney Mullen clones and Per Wellender clones and Kelly Martin clones for the last 30 years. We need different ideas coming out, guys. Denim is the epitome of that unique style and new idea. Lou Waterfield came through with submission doing the toe side double flip back to toe side rail. No, toe side full flip back to toe side rail. Whatever you want to call it. It's a rail to rail toe side with some nice grip tape. I want to see what Lou's tattoos are. Who do you think has the worst tattoos in freestyle? I probably have some of the worst. Denim has some good ones. Some good ones. We had Azam Siafik. Again, dude, send me like a DM saying your name so I can work on these. He came in with a video from his Japanese contest showing. Azam is from Malaysia. He went out to Japan to skate in the championships. He documented his entire trip there, the whole experience. He even put subtitles to it in English, which is really helpful for me. It's actually a really high quality edit. I'm gonna have the link in the description if you want to check it out. The entirety of this video is done really well, and it's a shame it doesn't have as many views as a lot of other videos out there. So like if you want to see another person's experience, especially someone that's not from the US or Japan or anywhere that we're probably familiar with, go watch it. Speaking of meetups, we had the latest meetup in San Diego, Freestyle Longboard Jam, that Daniel Trujillo filmed a little video part at. We all skated a little bit, just jammed, hung out, had some longboarders there, had the Mace team there, had Bo Trefiro doing his crazy crossover freestyle street action. Longboarding is dorky as hell. Freestyle, absolutely the dorkiest thing I've ever seen in my life. And when we come together, it's actually almost kind of cool. Not sure how that works. It's like the two negatives make a positive type thing. It's time for the next segment, Instagram rules. That's right, it does. It still does. We got a couple to talk about. First of all, Sean Nelson. Some may know him as Skaters Are People Too, because skaters are people too. I'm a person. That's a trick that I've been trying to learn for like the last 10 years and I still haven't done it. Sean, you came through that double kickflip. I'm kind of mad still about it. It's been like a week, but I'm still like a little heated. So I'm not gonna talk about it much. I'm just gonna leave it there. Go follow him. Speaking of raging freestylers, we've got Sean Burke. I don't even care that he didn't land anything in this clip. Just seeing Sean's reactions to him failing at skateboarding make everything worth it to me. Sean Burke, the raging southern cigar smoking gun shooting raging. I don't know what you are, Sean. He's just a total different animal. Keep raging, Sean. Keep doing you, and try not to break anything in the meantime. And keeping with this aggro single kick theme, we've got Death to False Metal. So it's clear that Instagram kind of brings us all together in a totally different way than a lot of things. The fact that we can use hashtags and stuff like that to get in touch with each other is huge. And I think one thing that I'd like to see in the future, if you're posting freestyle, and especially if you want that freestyle to make it on this show, hashtag fake trick news in all of your freestyle goodness. That way it's easier for me to see and find. It's been super sick to see it so far. Hyped on all of y'all. Keep it up, please. In Japanese news, we had a summer camp happening, some sort of an event going on with all of the Japanese freestylers, or more of them than I usually see in one place. We don't have a whole lot of content from that, but I'm sure I'll be able to find something to add right up there for y'all to watch. If you have your friends on your side of the world and you have a chance to get together, do it. Set up a jam, do like a Sunday skate. It would be amazing to see more content, more stuff, and just more people skating in person rather than just doing their thing in the corners of the skate park. DCMH Skateboarding was this DVD compilation thing that I got in the mail when I was like 13 years old getting into freestyle. That's like pre-YouTube days, right? So the Bakari brothers were the ones that made these videos. Fast forward a few years later, they dropped off the face of the earth. I don't know what happened to them, but they're back. And they're making some like weird stuff. It's like this weird meme technical trick. It is everything that I love about videos all in one. Pakaris are back. You need to check it out, and you need to subscribe because they're gonna be putting out a lot more in the next few months. And I've never been so excited for a new thing coming out in the FS community. We have 2 new edits out, and the first one was like this weird vaporwave seizure-inducing attack on your psyche. I have no words. The new show, Post Radical, hosted by Rick McCrank, finally aired with the episode about freestyle. They covered freestyle skateboarding at the World Roundup, as well as downhill slalom. It was something. It wasn't great, you know, honestly. I really appreciate the promotion. I mean, really any publicity is good publicity for what we do, right? But at the end of the day, they didn't make us look amazing. I mean, they did a great job showing the kind of tricks that we do, but often what they were showing was also the cringy, awkward, goofy side of freestyle, including the old stuff from Primo and Diane in the 80s, weird long cuts with Russ when you just had a camera pointing at somebody without another person to talk to, and crowds looking really bored. But overall, it's hard to say whether it was a positive or negative thing for freestyle. Let us know what you think. Let us know what else you want to see on the show, whether it be you at home or more of me, because this is really coming together. And until next time, keep dancing. Keep doing your thing, and I mean, here's what you really want to see. Just a video of a dog. Just like freestyle, right?